O le a toa ia i ao sa o maungo tupu na ifo ai to whinga o Samoa. Pa ia le popo ma pā le solo, le au mamala le atinu o pele le loto ma lana whainga malo. Ai tu mua ona o whaafeloa i atu i lau sunga Betty Vale, ai meise foi le pa ia ma le mamalu wao whanga potu mai nei a fi. Whaatalo wha atu, whaatulo atu i ta mā, tina mā tutua, o lo wafe fio nei atinu. Whapea foi tal fou, tupu lango le lumanai, wha moe sio tātou atinu. Tainane, wō mai māsani. Ai mā ngalo ia se leo wha ang fua no fuanga, se i tau mwhai atu sina upu i ngana pāla langi mo silfia to tele le au fia. Tā lofa lava. It's a pleasure to send my greetings and best wishes as you open this new chapter for our people through the Samoan American Association of Oklahoma. Thank you especially to Betty Vale and each of you taking part, and your venue at the Salt of the Earth Ministries as well. Thank you for your dedication to the gospel mission and your service. I often say I find our people everywhere I go in this great country. It's wonderful to have this new celebration of our people and heritage in Oklahoma. Thank you so much for keeping a special place in your hearts for our island traditions. We are from a place of natural beauty from the ocean, mountainsides, and green rainforest. But when we leave, we can always carry with us some of our culture, art, and music. It's wonderful to know the special beauty of our Samoan islands is being remembered and highlighted in Oklahoma to remain a vibrant part of your lives. We know it's important to our young generations to remember their heritage and the best of our Samoan values. And I find it endures through generations, even among those born in the United States. I know the Samoan American Association of Oklahoma will be a great reminder of our way and traditions, as well as our tropical foods, music, and more. It's been a great year in American Samoa, where we celebrated the historic 125th Flag Day on April 17th. Then on July 16th, I was able to visit all 3 beautiful islands of Manua for their own Flag Day, which dates back to 1904. I actually traveled over by small boat on some rough, choppy waters, so it lasted some extra time, but it's always worth it. We also had a wonderful graduation season this year, and I gave the commencement speech at Manumalo Baptist Academy. On a personal note, my grandchildren were in American Samoa with me for much of that time, and the ocean is in their blood. They would happily spend all day playing in the water with our dogs, surfboards and kayaks, and paddle boards. Now the ocean is a bit of a drive from Oklahoma, but as you know, with this special ribbon cutting, it's important to our young generations to gain insight into their heritage and draw on it for inspiration throughout life and build meaningful connections to our culture. In that way, and through family and faith, they keep the very best of our Samoan values. And I find it endures through generations, even among those born in U.S. states. I know the Samoan American Association of Oklahoma will be a great reminder of our way and traditions, as well as our tropical foods, music, and more. I'm thinking of you, and I know this will help our Samoan community in your state stay close-knit and supportive of each other. Thank you to everyone taking part. I'm certain you'll have a wonderful opening and a blessed time together and a great year ahead. If you're ever in Washington, D.C., you're always welcome to stop by my office, where our decorations will always be an enjoyable reminder of American Samoa. Have a wonderful time celebrating our heritage. God bless you all. God bless the United States of America, and God bless American Samoa, as well as independent Samoa. Soifua, maia manuia.